Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add extension, turn off the light extension on your Google Chrome browser. So first things you do, of course, open your Google Chrome and directly jump into the Chrome web store.google.com and find the turn off the lights. So here are 1 million users that use this extension. So what is turn off lights? The entire page will be fading to dark so you can watch the video as you were in the cinema and work for YouTube and beyond. So here we go. This is the features. You can effortless control toggle the light with simple click, effortlessly enhancing your viewing pleasure, cinematic experience, support multiple video sites like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Twitch, and so on. And Auto HD, set video to play in HD automatically. You can select from high resolution and so on. And you can learn about all of it, and of course there is a shortcut key and so on. Let's try add into a Google Chrome, add extension, and here we go. Wait for the progress. Only 8.5 megabyte, and this is turn off the light. So there is ads, but no problem. Here, let's close it. Let's close it again, and here we go. Turn off the light will be enabled when you try to open a YouTube, for example. Let's open it, and here's a YouTube video. Let's try to turn off the light. Just one click, and now the entire web page is fading. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.